If you feel like yoga props aren't helping you, it's probably because you're either not using them or you're not utilizing them to their fullest potential. So we're gonna take just one block today. There are many props. You have blocks, straps, blankets, bolsters, eye pillows, yoga wheels, foam rollers, the tune-up balls. There's so many ways to utilize props, but right now we're gonna focus on just our block, and I wanna show you ways to use it to stack, to support, to help you reach, and to enhance. So one of the most basic ways, if you have tight hips or any hip, spine, tension, tightness, is to simply sit on the block. And you can sit on the block in any seated position. Another variation, if you are trying to build inner thigh strength, right? You want to enhance, make your postures more challenging, you can place a block between your inner thighs and squeeze. Another place you can use the block is to bring the ground closer. So let's say you're in a low lunge and your hands are far away from the ground. You can place your hand on a block and the other on your thigh and press. Maybe you're trying to bring your leg closer to your hand and you need that extra support. You can place your foot on the block and then maybe that gives you that opportunity to reach. And finally, if you'd like a little more support or restorative option for your postures, you can use a block under your pelvis for a supported bridge. So these are all ways to utilize a block. And that was just the tip, right? That was only 5 poses pretty much with one block. Can you imagine if we used all our blocks? So if you have any specific questions on a pose that you'd like more support with how to integrate props, or a prop that you love that you want to use more of, or questions at all around props, please put them below. If you want more opportunities to actually utilize your blocks in full-length class, then check out my free 5-day yoga reset. The link is below, and I'll see you next time.